Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Millions of people obtain protein and fiber from highly processed foods. For a few more calories than this protein bar, you can get twice the fiber and 2.5 times the protein. This turkey and mushroom tomato sauce recipe also provides a variety of other essential nutrients without preservatives and artificial flavors. Meatless tomato sauce provides about 4 grams each of fiber and protein per cup. 1 cup of this sauce recipe provides 5 grams of fiber and 24 grams of protein. While the recipe in this video makes about 13 1-cup servings, you can cut the recipe in half if desired. The ingredients are 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or other vegetable oil, 3 pounds of 93% lean ground turkey or chicken, or substitute 3 pounds of vegan meat for a vegan sauce, 8 ounces of fresh mushrooms sliced or chopped, about 1/2 medium onion chopped, or you can substitute 2 tablespoons of chopped dried onion, 1 to 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, or substitute about 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You can use any variety. 1 to 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning or to taste, kosher or table salt to taste, and black pepper to taste. Optional ingredients include ground anise, basil, chives, oregano, parsley, red pepper flakes, rosemary, thyme, and red wine. Heat oil in a 6-quart pot over medium heat. If you're using fresh onion, saute 3 to 5 minutes or until soft. Add the fresh garlic during the final 1 to 2 minutes. Otherwise, add the ground turkey or chicken. Allow the turkey to cook a few minutes before you begin breaking it up. Ground turkey is leaner and softer than ground beef. Letting it brown slightly makes breaking it up into chunks easier. Cooking the turkey until there is no pink is the most time-consuming part of the recipe. When the turkey is cooked through and the desired size, stir in the mushrooms. I used a food processor to finely chop the mushrooms, but you can add them sliced or chopped. I'm adding about 1/2 cup of dry red wine. Next, I added salt and ground black pepper. I'm also adding red pepper flakes. Stir the seasoning into the meat mixture. I've added 1/2 teaspoon of ground anise, followed by dried chopped onion. Stirring them into the meat mixture. Next, add the diced and crushed tomatoes and stir to thoroughly combine. Finally, I stir in the Italian seasoning. You can add the dry ingredients in any order. When the sauce comes to a boil, reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer on low about 2 hours. Stir about every 30 minutes to prevent sticking. In about 2 hours, the sauce is ready to serve. Before refrigerating, cool about 2 hours on a wire rack. Before freezing, place in 1 to 2 serving plastic containers after refrigerating overnight. Refrigerating the sauce will prevent container discoloration. Use frozen sauce within 4 months. Defrost overnight in the refrigerator. A 1-cup serving has 260 calories, 3 grams of saturated fat, about 340 milligrams of sodium, 17 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of fiber, 9 grams of natural sugar, and 24 grams of protein. Served with 2 ounces of cooked dry pasta provides 7 grams of fiber and 31 grams of protein. You'd have to eat 3 of these protein bars to obtain the same amount of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.